You search for how to buy shares of Azenta Inc. Azenta is a life sciences company focused on sample management and laboratory automation that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AZTA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AZTA to locate the Azenta Inc. listing. Confirm you have the correct company and exchange before proceeding. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart for AZTA to confirm this is the correct stock. Double-check the listing details and ticker before creating an order. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed according to the platform rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order is filled or queued, your Azenta position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform shown in this example.